Hello everyone, welcome back to Medical Coding Club. This is Chandrika. So today I have added sepsis coding guidelines which are interview focused. So please go through all slides and understand the question as well given answer so that you will understand more of the guideline importance. And my new CPC batch will be starting from August 3. If anyone interested to learn all the chapter of ICD, also all chapter of CPT and HCPCS, modifier, compliance, everything effectively, then you can consider joining my 2 months of CPC course. Fees will be only 7,199 if you join early. So please do WhatsApp me for admission. And here I have added like commonly asked interview questions, and also I have I posted one form to submit your medical coding career related questions so that I can answer individually. And I also posted all the questions that I have received through Instagram. I have replied everyone and I posted on Instagram, so please do check that as well. If you have anything any doubts regarding this medical coding career, maybe it is for CPC certification related, CU related, or membership renewal, or maybe the career, the specialty wise, everything I have answered. So please visit my Instagram and check that as well. So follow me on Instagram to get more resource, so that I'll be sending a lot of PDF resources, so that many are getting benefited from those free resource. Here in YouTube it is difficult to send individually. In Instagram it is automated, so it will be easy for me to send it to everyone whoever ask. Okay, so please make sure to follow me on Instagram as well. So yeah, please go through all the slides, and thank you all for watching my uh, YouTube videos. So like last year I have explained a lot of weird things since I had a little time, but now I'm totally occupied, so I cannot really spend a lot of time in YouTube. Still, I'm struggling, and I'm somehow managing to post something which is useful for you all. So yeah,